I am pleased that the European Meetings and Events Conference will take place in Luxembourg. Luxembourg is not only a great place to work, live and visit, but it's also an ideal place to host events. Situated in the heart of Europe, Luxembourg is quickly accessible, and with our free public transport, it is easy to reach other destinations from the capital, like our countryside with beautiful vineyards and castles. And also communicating in Luxembourg will be easy. The majority of Luxembourgers speak 4 languages. The Grand Duchy is known for organizing international congresses and EU summits. Modern facilities are among our strong points and will continue to progress in this direction. We recently launched a new strategy that defines the business event sector as a priority. Business events bring people together and foster cultural exchange. They broaden horizons and generate innovative business ideas. I look forward to welcoming you personally at the EMEC 2024, and I hope that you will discover our beautiful country during your stay.